Here is how to check your CPU temperature on Windows 11. Despite the graphics card, if we press Ctrl Shift and S on our keyboard to open the task manager, go to Performance tab and press on the GPU, we can see the temperature of the GPU without installing any additional software, but for the CPU is not the same case, we cannot check that here. And I'm recommending you this software to check the CPU temperature, and only because I use it for the last years very often. The use of the software is just to check the live temperature, minimum, maximum and the average, but you cannot use it to benchmark your processor, just to check the temperature. So it's free and you can get it from lcpu.com/coretemp/. And once you get on this page, let's press on download. And the software is very small, it's downloaded right now. It just pop up on my other screen. This is the installer. Let's open it. Alright, and now let's press on next. You have to read the terms and conditions. After that, to install it, you will have to mark I accept the agreement and press on next. The software is very small, so I don't bother having it in the C drive. Press on next. And yes, I would like to have a desktop shortcut, and I am okay with all this. Let's press on next, again on install, and let's press on next. And I would like to launch right now the CoreTemp, and I don't want to see the readme text. Let's press on finish, and the software will pop up right now. This is the software I told you about, and right here you can locate the minimum temperature of your CPU, of your processor. At max, you locate the maximum temperature that your processor reached, and at the third column you locate the average temperature of your CPU, and at the last column you locate the load, basically how much of every core it's used right now. On the left side you locate all your cores and all the temperatures live right now in this moment. So this is how to check the CPU temperature on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.